Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can fix Telegram connection problem. In this following video, I will be showing you a few of the methods on how you can fix the issue. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, make sure whether your internet connection is stable or not. So that might be one of the reasons why you're facing Telegram connection problem. So after checking your internet connection as well, you still face the problem, then what you can do next is that you simply head towards your Play Store application, and then on the search box type in Telegram. Instead of open, if you have updates, which means that the update is available, so you'll have to update your Telegram application. After updating your Telegram application, this might actually solve your problem. In case you still face similar problem, so once again what you have to do is go back to your home screen and then long press on the Telegram application, tap on app info. On the app info page, tap on force stop in the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, there's a confirmation, tap on OK. So after that, once again on the app info page, tap on storage. So after clearing your cache, the problem or the issue might be fixed. If you're still unable to fix it, try restarting your device. On the app info page, scroll down and then tap on permission. So out here, make sure that all of the following option is enabled, which means that it has to be turned on. So after following all of these methods, if you're still unable to fix it, then what you can do is simply uninstall your Telegram application and then once again head towards your Play Store after uninstalling it. So instead of Telegram, you'll have to download Telegram X. So this application is an alternative of Telegram. So you can tap on install here and you'll be able to fix your connection problem on this following application. So that is how you can fix your Telegram connection problem on your device. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.